Hello, educators. Today, we'll be exploring how the 4A's lesson plan model can be used in teaching our sample lesson from a third quarter of English 10, which is using writing techniques, specifically informative, persuasive, and argumentative writing. This model helps us create engaging lessons that guide students from exploration to mastery. Let's break it down step by step. We begin with the activity phase, designed to activate prior knowledge and spark interest. For this lesson, we'll start by showing three sentences on the board. One sentence for informative, one sentence for persuasive, and one sentence for argumentative. We'll then ask the class, can you categorize these sentences based on their purpose? What do you notice about the language used in each? This activity sets the tone for the lesson and encourages students to think critically right from the start. Next is the analysis phase. Students dig deeper into the examples. In this lesson, the teacher will divide the class into smaller groups and provide them with a worksheet containing guiding questions, such as what is the purpose of each sentence? Who is the audience? What tone of techniques are used in each example? After group discussions, we share insights as a class. And then, the teacher encourages students to highlight patterns, like how informative writing focuses on facts, persuasive writing appeals to emotions, and argumentative writing relies on evidence. This phase helps students identify the key elements and connect them to real-world examples. Third is the abstraction phase, where the teacher formally introduces the concepts of informative, in persuasive, and argumentative writing. This is the lecture or discussion part. Using a graphic organizer, the teacher explains informative writing, persuasive writing, and argumentative writing. This structured explanation ensures students clearly understand the differences and applications of each writing technique. Finally, the application phase gives students an opportunity to practice their skills. The teacher will ask them to write three sentences, one informative, one persuasive, and one argumentative, on the topic, the importance of recycling. Once finished, students share their sentences with the class, and students provide peer feedback focusing on tone, purpose, and clarity. For extended practice, the teacher assigns a homework task. Write a paragraph on one of the three writing styles on a current environmental issue you care about. Close the class with a wrap up and reflection. The 4A's model ensures students are actively engaged, critically analyzing concepts, and applying their learning in meaningful ways. By using this structured approach, we help students master the art of writing effectively, whether to inform, persuade, or even argue. Thank you for watching and happy teaching. This has been Teacher Randy. Have a great day.